GMC Sierra is all about strength, style, and modern technology packed into a full-size pickup. It offers multiple engine choices, from a powerful 5.3-liter and 6.2-liter V8 to a high-torque diesel and a turbocharged four-cylinder. Each one is built to handle serious towing and payload duties, while giving drivers smooth power and reliable performance. Its design stands tall with a bold grille, strong stance, and sharp LED lighting. Higher trims bring chrome, premium accents, and advanced features that give it a luxury edge without losing the rugged character. Inside, the Sierra feels more like an upscale SUV than a work truck. It comes with a large touchscreen, digital driver display, wireless phone features, and available options like Bose audio, ventilated seats, and even hands-free Super Cruise driving on select trims. For off-road fans, the AT4 and AT4X trims step things up with lifted suspension, underbody protection, and heavy-duty shocks built for challenging terrain. Whether you're hauling gear, towing a trailer, or just enjoying a comfortable daily drive, the Sierra delivers. It's a tough, high-tech truck built for people who expect more out of their vehicle. This is the GMC Sierra. Power, presence, and purpose, ready when you are.